Hey guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by Life Goals channel. In these mini-series we will show you how to set goals for anything in life. Each episode consists of 5 steps. Each episode will address a subject in goal setting. The subjects in these episodes are orientation, make a plan, and putting work into your goals. In this episode we will be explaining in 5 simple steps how you can stick to your plan and become successful in reaching your objectives. In this episode we will be explaining in 5 simple steps on how to put work into your goals. Step 1. Create a suitable environment. Whatever your objective, some circumstances are undoubtedly more effective at achieving it than others. Make efforts to avoid creating barriers with the people and surroundings you spend time in. For instance, you will need to put in a lot of study time and focus if you are starting a medical school. You might want to think about moving if you live with pals who constantly party and will encourage you to do the same. Other goal-oriented individuals might keep you accountable and motivated by being in your midst. Step 2. Start working. To start working on the first sub-goal on your list, choose a date. So jump right in. It is too complicated to be your first sub-goal if you don't know how to complete it. If you are unable to pinpoint the initial step toward that objective, you may need to conduct additional research or divide it into more manageable sub-goals. Decide on a start date that is at least a few days away. You'll be more motivated and passionate about the initial step if it's a goal you're eager to achieve. The time before the start date might also be used to revise your strategy, receive counsel, or get the equipment you need to do the job. Step 3. Regularly work on your objectives. The secret to accomplishing your life goals is to work toward them gradually and regularly once you've started. This is a lengthy process that must be completed step by step. Therefore, it is essential to keep moving forward. Many people make goals and then dive in with all of their energy, giving the objective a lot of time and effort in the beginning. While enthusiasm is admirable, avoid exhausting yourself too quickly in the initial few weeks or months. Additionally, you don't want to create goals that you won't be able to achieve over time. Keep in mind that you intend to stick with this. This is a journey, not a race. Including time for goal-related activities in your daily schedule is an excellent strategy to maintain constant success. Set aside a definite time each day, such as from 2 to 6 p.m., for your classwork if you are studying to become a scientist. Set aside a certain time during the day, such as 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m., to conduct your own study. If you can help it, try to stick to this timetable unless you have an urgent necessity to change it. But around 9 o'clock in the evening, end the night and unwind. Remember that investing a lot of time and effort is necessary to accomplish any goal. You will reach your goal by putting in the time and the effort. Step 4. Stay motivated. You must continue to be motivated because consistency is so essential. Having realistic sub-goals is essential for maintaining motivation. If you believe that you are moving forward, it will be a lot simpler to remain motivated and dedicated. For incentives, use reinforcement. Adding something positive to your life is known as positive reinforcement. Taking something away is negative reinforcement. Both can support your motivation. Offer yourself an incentive if you sense that you are losing concentration while attempting to complete a restaurant permit application. Maybe you should reward yourself to a massage when you've done the application. Or perhaps allowing yourself to miss out on a weekly task once would help you stay motivated. In either case, encouragement might help you stay focused. Punishing yourself for not completing sub-goals is less effective than rewarding positive behavior. Be careful to employ rewards as well if you decide to subject yourself to unpleasant consequences. Step 5. Monitor your progress. Keeping track of your work and reviewing it frequently is one of the best strategies to stay inspired. You can use an app, a journal, or a calendar, depending on your objective and personal preferences. Any of them can serve as a reminder of the little goals you've already attained. They can also help you hold yourself responsible for sticking to your timetable. Regular journal writing can also assist reduce tension and anxiety that may come with pursuing a long-term objective. After these 5 steps, you will have completed the tutorial on how to set goals for anything in life. The tutorial can be used for any aspect in life, whether it is about your personal life or work-related. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.